Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at this Ninja IG601 Foodi XL 7-in-1 electric indoor grill combo. Yes, that was a long one. So I just wanted to go ahead and make a quick video about how to use it because a lot of people might be confused on how to use it, but trust me, it is very, very simple. As a matter of fact, I believe it is one of the most simplest, little functions I've ever seen. So first off, you'll go ahead and click the power button right here. And as you can see, it'll power on. So you can go ahead and choose from one of the little functions here. So go ahead and spin this knob into bake, broil, roast, grill, barbecue grill, air crisp, and dehydrate. So let's say I want to just air crisp, which is air frying. I'll go ahead and pick that. And then to change the time, just go ahead and press the time button. You'll see this, this is minutes, by the way. So you'll see this blinking. So when it starts blinking, you can change it. You could turn it up, down, whatever you want. I'm gonna just put it at, let's just say 25 for the example. And you can go ahead and press the temperature button now. And, didn't press it good enough. There we go. Now the temperature will start blinking. And from here, you can go ahead and again, move this knob. We'll just say 350 as the example. And if you're curious on what you should put it at, here's a little list right here. It should come on your machine as well, so you don't have to worry about that. And if you want to change the function, you can just go ahead and press the function button and it'll go ahead and reset it and everything. But going back to the air crisp, let's just say this is what we want to do. To start it up, you'll go ahead and press down on the knob. As you can see, it says start, stop. So just go ahead and press it down. And it'll start preheating the actual thing. And once it's done preheating, we'll start the timer. It'll, start everything up. But we don't want to do that because there's nothing in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop it. And to stop it, just go ahead and press down on this button again. And that will be the end. You can go ahead and open it up, grab whatever you want from there, and you are good to go. And it does turn off automatically once you stop it, but you can just go ahead and press the power button and it'll turn right back on. So this is a very, very easy machine to use. It's very simple, literally took one attempt and I mastered it. So I definitely think that you should go for this just because it is so simple.